Hi everybody, welcome. Today I wanted to share with you some budget tech. For $235.16, you save 22% right now on Amazon. TP-Link Deco Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E Mesh System. Covers up to 5,500 square feet, replaces your Wi-Fi router and your extender. It's AI-driven mesh with the new 6 gigahertz band. Comes in a 2-pack. You can see right here, I picked it up July 25th of 2022. I'm going to show you some speed tests that I run my PC off of on Wi-Fi. Plus my phone in the living room through 4 walls. I'll let you be the judge. I'm pretty sure most Wi-Fi suck. This will help yours to suck less.
I win.
You can connect up to 200 devices on this. You can use it as a AI-driven mesh Wi-Fi system, an Ethernet backhaul, and it even supports 160 megahertz channels supported. And yeah, you can run a ton of devices on this thing. Let's get down to some specifics on this. You can see right here, it's 4.5 star ratings out of 1,010 ratings. Not bad at all. Comes in a pack of 2. You got 3 connections on the back. One of them has to be the lead one. The other one you can put in another room somewhere throughout the house to give you a more expanded coverage.
I'm just living the dream.
More ports, more flexibility. You get 3 single 1 gigabyte ports on the back of each one. With Wi-Fi 6E. Better traffic. You got parental controls on this thing. It's got everything. Quick and easy setup. I will show you a little bit of that in just a second. Yeah, I think it's a great deal. I think it's something you might be interested in. I know for us, it was definitely better than the unreliable, cheap, crappy router that we get from our internet service provider. They did tell us that they usually give away just basic stuff. It's not quality material at all. All right, let's take a look at it and see what you think.
And who could forget?
I brought these gifts for you, they're up in my bum.
And everyone's favorite.
La 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 la, la 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 la. Look at the bells, look at the bells. Holy crap, here comes Jesus, and he doesn't look too happy. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hi, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found it entertaining or it saved you a buck or two. If you want to see more great videos like this and you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there. You don't want to miss anything coming up. Also, if you want to see another video like this, click on that. I'll see you in the next video.